Well, good morning. This is Bob McBride. I'm with MarineMax Osage Beach. I'm also known as Boat Show Bobby Fresh. And you've probably seen me or heard of me at the Overland Park Boat Show when we were talking about the Nautiques. Well, I want you to also know that we sell other brands. We sell Boston Whalers, and today we're going to take a look at this wonderful 270 Vantage Boston Whaler. And I got my friend here, Ben, and he's really interested in one of these, and I think it'd be a great boat for Ben. So come on and climb on up there, Ben.
Let's climb aboard and see what we got. What do we have at the back of the boat here?
We've got a retractable ladder that goes, makes it very easy to entry from inside the water as outside. This particular boat is powered by twin 300 Mercuries. This has joystick control, so it's very, very easy to handle. It'll take you wherever you want to go. You can park it, easy to handle. Got trim tabs, underwater lights. This boat's very well equipped. So let's climb on up, man.
All right. I see you can easily check the oil.
That's one of the nice features about these new Mercuries is it's very accessible. You don't have to take the cowl off. It's very accessible to check your oil. And
you
you've
can
got
add oil.
Instructions right there inside.
Awesome.
Makes it very nice. When they're tilted up, many times on the older models.
Come on, Bobby.
Well, come on now, it isn't going in there.
There we go.
Pushing too hard. We're on the back swim deck.
There's plenty of room to walk around.
Plenty of room to walk across. We've got your fuel fill right over there. Got shore power hookup right here, so that when you're on, you can hook her right up.
Awesome.
You got a synthetic teak flooring here, so it's a non-slip, so you can be back here, do all the playing you want, do all the fishing. This is a very, very versatile boat. Not only will it handle, we're here at the Lake of the Ozarks, and if you've ever heard about the Lake of the Ozarks and know, it's kind of a rough lake. This boat will handle the rough waters of this lake marvelously. I mean, it's designed for rougher water, and it will just go where you want it to go, and it'll get you there safely and comfortably. So come on in.
Awesome, awesome.
Plenty of seating here.
Nice door here, I see. Looks like you got your battery switches.
Yep,
nice.
We've got my house battery and my engine batteries right there, very accessible, as well as we've got cleats that you drop the rope down through here. You've got a cleat right here, and you can tie up to the dock. Very well thought out.
Excellent.
This boat has a hardtop here, so that you can get in out of the weather and just be very comfortable.
So got a nice tow point up there, I see too.
It does have a tow point, and that's for our Nautique players. You know, you know, we all like to do that. That's my life. You heard that, didn't you?
Oh yeah, we got your wakeboarding, your skiing, tubing from up there.
The other thing that this one has is a sunshade. Now this is a manual sunshade. It's pretty easy to crank out. There you go, Ben. You got it. Keep
nice
on going.
and easy.
You can take it and cover this whole back deck so that you can get out of the sun on a nice hot day.
Awesome.
And speaking of this back deck, look at this. We've got seating back here that's marvelous. Go ahead and have a seat down there, Ben. What do you think? Think that'd be comfortable running down the lake?
Absolutely.
Yes, I think so too.
Nice cup holder here for your beverages.
That's correct.
Very nice upholstery.
Yep, upholstery around here. It's all heavy duty. We've got a nice stereo speaker so right back here so you can hear. We got water wash downs.
Looks like JL Audio. It's good company.
Yes, and show them how easy this boat seat flips right up. So if I'm getting into some fishing now, that's what the whaler. You've heard about the unsinkable legend of a whaler, where they cut it in half and drove it around the lake and it won't sink. Well, this is a whaler. It's built the same way. It won't sink. It's designed, you can use it as a fishing boat, but this one's got plenty of space, so you can use it for anything you need. Got a nice, easy access engine compartment here. You can see your freshwater tank, your fuel tank, your batteries. It's all nice, easy to get to.
Very easy. What do we have here?
Well,
nice wet bar.
Well, this is actually called our summer kitchen.
Okay.
And it's got a prep area. We've got a refrigerator down below. Nice refrigerator. We've got a sink. We got spots up here for some drinks, as well as you can put your ice over here or drains through there. But this particular deal will just lift up, just like here. You lift it up, you swing it across. Now my prep area is off to the side, but I've got an electric grill. I can cook my hot dogs, my hamburgers, do all my prep work, my cleanup work over here, and be out on the boat all day and enjoy yourself with your entire family.
Very nice.
This is called our summer kitchen. Great option. Great option.
Great.
There's even a trash can down below.
Very nice. Very important, have a trash can.
We've got seating, convertible seating here, Ben. You can sit down at either direction. You can sit forward, or you can do it aft. It's very easy to adjust. You see how that spring just lifts it up, and you can lay that thing down all the way, and you've got plenty of room. Or you
sun
can
pad.
Stand it up part way and have more on the back. What do you think? Is that pretty comfortable?
I would do this any day of the week.
Yeah, I think so. I think that'd be a good one to run down the lake with. And then you can flip it this way when you're facing forward. You've got plenty of space. I've got storage under here. Now, under there also what you're seeing, that's our little air compressor for our toys. This is, you know, you got to have the toys for the kids.
Absolutely.
Now over here, Ben, we've got our day ahead. Go ahead and open that up.
Oh wow, it's lots of space.
Lots of space. Our flooring continues on. We've got a sink down there, and it's a usable head.
Plenty of room. Easy to get in and out.
Nice and secure. We've got storage under here, right there. Go ahead and, yeah, there you go.
Plenty of storage in there.
We've got storage for poles. We've got skis.
Noodles.
Yep, noodles. All the good things that you need to have it when you're out on the lake. Go ahead and have a seat here at the driver's seat, Ben. We've got, now this particular unit, we've got the Ray Marine.
Oh, that's nice.
We've got a 12-inch screen. Everything is digital there. We can have the chart come up, tell us right where we are.
Right on a parking lot.
We're right there in the parking lot, right here in Osage Beach, right across from the outlet mall. You need to come see this boat.
Oh, that's a great map.
And there's our marina.
Awesome. What do we have here? It's just the joystick?
I mentioned this at the back of the boat. This is our joystick control. So I can just go real slowly forward just by doing this. I can rotate this boat on its axis just by turning this. It also has another function called skyhook. Have you ever pulled up to a dock and you know, you got to get your bumpers out, you got to get yourself all tied up to it to go into a restaurant or go get your gas or whatever, maybe just go to the bathroom, whatever.
Prep the boat for docking.
And you're out there by yourself and you got to put these bumpers down and you got to get your ropes all ready. Well, this takes all, and you're got your head on a swivel because you're drifting and bouncing. Well, we've got skyhook. I drive out there, I engage skyhook, and it's going to keep the motors running, but it's going to keep the boat in the same location where I set it. So I can get myself all ready to go in and dock without being worried about drifting into somebody else or anything. It just parks you right there. Then when you're done, you can just go ahead. You rotate this on an axis. You can move this boat sideways, backwards, this way, or rotate it. It's very easy to operate. We also have the active trim here, which will take the stress away from you having to trim the motors. It will do it for you for the most optimal driving conditions. In what your speeds, turns, it will trim that motor so to give you the best performance overall.
Sounds pretty awesome, Bobby Fresh.
Yeah. It keep you fun. We've got a tilt wheel here, and we've got the pop-up bolster seat. One of the things I really like about a boat is I want to be able to see when I'm going down, especially in crowded water. I want to be able to see well. You can see well out of this. You can also stand up and see very well. Okay.
Yep.
On a nice cool morning, I love to go boating in the fall. How about you, Ben?
I love boating in the fall.
Me too. I can
and
close
spring.
Yeah. You can close this. You can close this, lock that hatch, open that, close that there, and now I can run down the lake and I can be relatively comfortable in here.
Oh, that's nice that these locks move together.
They move together, so you can just latch it with one hand.
Nice.
Now I've got storage under here, Ben. Don't forget to show them. I want to show you the storage.
Just showing them how that works quick. All right.
See that I've got storage for fishing gear. I've got storage for life vests. I've got all kinds of different things in there.
It's like a nice table for the front there.
Yes.
That is a lot of storage. All right, you want to send us up to the front?
Yeah, well, come on up. We've got some space up here that you can sit and enjoy the ride. I don't know about you, but every time my kids, every time I'm out boating, my daughters, my granddaughters, everything like that, they want to be right up here.
Yep.
They want the best view in the house. And this is it. You sit way up high, you can see everything well, you're comfortable. You've got storage up here, under here. You got a step through. We've got access to our windlass right here.
Oh, great.
Got a remote for our windlass right here, so I can be right up front checking it out as I go. Or I can also operate it from the console. Oh, yeah, you'll snap it in there.
There we go. If I'm not mistaken, you can get to the storage compartment.
Storage from under there too. Yes, sir.
Oh, right on. Be a good place for a nice big cooler or something as well.
Big cooler. You've got, well, you see what we've got in there. We've got our shore power cord. We've got room for, these are all our manuals and everything, but just a ton of stuff in here.
And then this would be the table.
That's the base for our table.
Well, awesome. And that clips in right there, correct?
It slides in right here. So, and it's up off the floor so that you're not tripping on it as you walk around.
Awesome.
Whoever came up with that idea, that's a wonderful idea.
Yeah, windshield wipers and everything.
We got, did you show, Ben, don't forget that docking light I got up top. So, sometimes we do get out there and it's dark, and it gets you home safe. This is a great boat. It'd be a great boat for the Lake of the Ozarks, and great family boat. It'll get you where you want to go, and it'll get you there safely. So I want you to come by the Lake of the Ozarks or Osage Beach MarineMax and see Bob McBride, also known as Boat Show Bobby Fresh. And my email and phone number is going to be here at the bottom, and I want you to contact me. Tell me what you want to see next. We've got lots of great boats here, and
what brands do you carry?
We carry, of course, we carry Nautiques, because that's my life. And we carry Boston Whalers. We carry Nautic Star. We carry Sea Ray, and we carry Harris pontoon boats, all top line boats. So come by and see us, and tell us what you want to hear. If you like this video and you want to see more, let us know. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Bobby Fresh.
It's been a pleasure, Ben. And now, can I sign you up for one of these?
Absolutely.
All right, let's go do it.